Welcome. Myself Gaurav Gadge from Pallotti Engineering College. Today I am going to discuss the important definitions related to our network analysis. So let us check first one. Network. Network, it is the interconnected combination of different elements. Now what are different elements? Classified into two: sources and passive elements. Sources are classified as voltage source and current source. Left hand side figure shows a voltage source, right hand side figure shows a current source. Voltage source always have an internal resistance RSC, current source always have internal resistance RSH. Now this voltage source and current source is connected with the load resistance RL. Here you can see that load resistance RL. So this is RL. Now let us define second terminology, node. It is the junction of two or more branches in a network. If I just consider this point, this is the point which connects two or more branches in a network. Just check. This is branch 1, branch 2 and branch 2. These three branches are connected with this common point or a junction called as node. Third definition, branch or elements. It is the line segment between the two nodes representing that branch element. So as we consider this as node 1, now consider this as node 2. In between these two nodes, RSH is connected. So this RSH is the branch. Even across these 2 points, you have RL connected. So RL is the branch. Even current source is present. So that current source is a branch. So this is third definition. Fourth definition, loop. Now to understand loop, I just consider this figure. It is the closed path in a network which cannot be further subdivided into small closed path where the loop currents can be drawn. So if I just consider a loop current starting from positive terminal of voltage source, passes through RSC and then RL and ends up at negative terminal. So this forms a loop. Again I am telling you, a current starts from positive terminal of voltage source, passes through RSC, then RL and ends up at negative terminal. That forms a loop. Loop is also referred as mesh. So these are the important definitions related to network analysis. Now few voltage current relationship. These three relationship for voltage and current 1, 2, 3 are for three elements: resistor, inductor, capacitor. VR is equal to I into R, VL is equal to L di by dt, and VC is equal to 1 upon C integration I dt. If we write in terms of current for same resistance, I is equal to V upon R. I is equal to 1 upon L integration VL dt. I is equal to C dVC by dt. Okay. So that's all with the introduction to this. Thank you so much. Bye bye.